Welcome to the final video in the circle equations playlist, and in this video we're going to try and see if we can solve a slightly challenging problem from the 2019 April US QAS. And as always, I encourage you to pause the video and give it a go yourself. So let's just give it a read now, assuming that some of you have tried maybe gotten to the answer. The graph in the xy plane of the equation above is a circle. If the circle is translated downwards a units such that the circle is tangent to the x-axis, the equation becomes this. So the original equation was this: x minus 6 whole squared plus y minus 3 whole squared equals 25. And then when we brought it down a units, it became this equation. Okay, so what is the value of a? So essentially what this question is asking us is that the equation of this circle, so the circle was probably somewhere like this. Let's suppose it was like this. And what they're asking is that how many units do you need to bring it downwards in order for it to become a tangent to the x-axis. A tangent is something that just touches the x-axis and it's not above or below it. So what they're asking is, if the circle is translated downwards a units such that the circle is tangent to the x-axis. So for this circle, we need to find out how many units do we need to bring it down from the top for it to become a tangent. So to make that easier for us, let's just try and graph this sketch a graph of this circle. Let me draw my y-axis and my this is the x-axis, and let me label it up a bit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Actually, that's too small. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let me write that down. 10. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. And for the negative x-axis, let me write down a few numbers too. So this is a 1, this is a 10. Okay, so how do we sketch the circle? So the two things that we need to sketch the circle are the center, which is going to be a 6, 3. I just flip the signs of the numbers right next to x and y. We learned that in the previous videos. And for the radius, it's just going to be the square root of this number. So that's the second thing we need. We need the radius. That's 5 units. So let's first locate the center on our axis. It's going to be 1 2 3 4 5. This is 6. Okay, so this is 6, and then where is 3? 1 2 3. This is 3. So 6 3 is here. So now to complete our circle, we just need to go 5 units to the right, 5 units to the left, 5 units to the top and bottom of this center. Let me show you how. So let's just find the top of the circle first. So I'll go 1 2 3 4 5 units up till I get to 8. This is my top of the circle. And then 5 units to the right. 1 2 3 4. I'll go to 11 because 6 plus a 5 is 11. And then 6 minus a 5 would be a 1 for the left side. And then for 5 down would be a negative 2. And you can see this is not quite perfect looking, but I think it should do. So this is what our circle looks like. I'll try my best. Okay. So now we can visualize what our circle looks like. So it's pretty clear that how much do we need to bring it down for it to become a tangent to the x-axis. The top of the circle is 8 units from the x-axis, right? And so obviously we need to bring it down 8 units, and that would look something like this maybe. So our answer would clearly be a equals 8, because a is what is the amount that I needed to bring it down for it to become a tangent to the x-axis. So there you go. That's about it for the circle equations playlist, and I hope to see you in the next video.